let's just go ahead and have like a little bit of explanation on how we are passing the data using our route. So first we need to start from our component. Okay. So here we have our food component, and from our food component, whenever we are navigating to this stack, we're going to pass an item. Okay. And in our stack, navigator, we need to receive this item. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and open our navigator, which is this food navigator. Okay. So here we are receiving the data using the use route hook, and we are storing the data in this component. Okay. So our data is coming from route.params. Okay. We store it in here, and then we want to pass the same data to this page. And to pass the data to this stack.screen, we have to pass it through initial parameters. So we're passing it as item. And this is the item that we are mapping it to, which is the item that we have right here on top. So if we go to our food page, we're going to pass the route. We're going to receive the route from our navigator. That's why we have it here. And we're also going to receive navigation. Okay. So we're going to use the route that we're receiving from the navigator and use that route to extract the item. The reason why we have an item here is the way that we are passing our data here. Okay. We're passing it as this item. So this is the item that we are going to extract from our params. And then store the data here. So this data, we can use it in our page. So that's how you can pass the data from a component to a navigator, and then to any page in that navigator. Okay.